Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women caplet designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection for beautiful and creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman caplet designs and others like crochet woman poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, sandal designs and crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet women bodycon dresses, long dresses, short dresses, crochet women skirt designs, crochet women full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, one shoulder, off shoulder dresses also, crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earring designs, bracelets, finger rings also, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends, relatives. So dear friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then bye.